We're putting on a HKS blow-off valve, the same one that the noise from Paul Walker's R34 in Too Fast, Too Furious was actually based on. The noise of that car was based on the noise that this blow-off valve makes. And we're about to put it on an R34 with an RB25 DET Neo in it. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Top Productions. In this week's video, I'm going to be taking the Stag over to Daniel's. Some parts of his just arrived, so we'll probably be installing them on his 34. Not too sure what they are, but we'll find out when we get there. Find any good angle to film from. Yeah, we're going to be taking the Stag over there. Hopefully going to pick up some parts for the RB25 DE that I've got over there. Ordered them in from Repco a while ago and apparently they've just come in, so that's awesome. I'm not sure how I'm going to film with this camera in the car. I haven't quite thought that far ahead, but I guess you're about to see anyway. Yeah, there isn't a lot of room in the car for this camera, so I don't know, do some shitty transaction to make it work. Let's go! And we're here. I don't want to put that all the way out, actually. Wow, looks so cinematic. Pretty green tree, pretty green car. No number plates. This thing's insane.
Redo the handbrake caliper part.
The rears?
Yeah.
Are they not as set in as you want them to?
Because I tightened that all the way down.
It's not working?
It still does fuck all. It was only rolling this. It didn't stop.
On this slope?
Yeah, on this slope.
This is barely a slope.
Yeah, I know. That's what I mean.
It's a bit of a backstory there. Daniel and I did the brakes on this thing yesterday whenever I did the whole thing. Thought about filming it, didn't have the battery, and thought it was kind of out of context seeing as we haven't really had this car on the channel. Probably on the channel a little bit later on though. I mean, it's on it right now. Heckin' sick little car, and it goes like nothing else. Handles like a go-kart, which I'm sure a lot of you would know because there's Miatas all over YouTube, or MX-5s, Miatas, whatever. They're supposed to be MX-5s here in Australia, but I've heard it called a Miata so often on YouTube that it's just sort of stuck. And technically this isn't even a Miata. Technically it's a Roadster, because it's the Japanese export to Australia version of the Miata. So it's like a top-ish of the line MX-5, which is sick. And it looks it too. It's sick.
So it's got the tonneau cover on now, it looks good.
Yeah, it does look good. I'm sorry I can't get in this car with you, Joe. Neither of us are hairdressers, so you have fun there, buddy.
I mean, you can say that.
Huh?
I ain't gonna drink it.
Oh, it sounds so
Shit.
go-kart-ish.
Go-kartish. And good lawnmowers that sound more badass than this.
Legit though. Just two dudes
Chilling in a Miata.
with the top down.
1 foot apart because they're hopefully not gay.
Well, we both have girlfriends, so... Oh, he got some pep to it. Oh, Don't lock it up here because that car behind us will run us over.
You probably just go over it. You might scrape your tip.
What a fun little car. That was sick. That thing is awesome. Honestly, like, as far as fun cars go, that's definitely probably one of the funnest cars we have in this squad. Out of the 34, the 33, both the Stags. Wow, that exposes garbage. Yeah, definitely one of the funnest cars. Now I'm going to be doing something really, really cool on the 34. Something I reckon you guys will be keen to see, and something I reckon will be good for a thumbnail. If you click this video and you know what we're doing, so clearly there's no point trying to keep it a secret from here. We're putting on a HKS blow-off valve, the same one that the noise from Paul Walker's R34 in Too Fast, Too Furious was actually based on. The noise of that car was based on the noise that this blow-off valve makes. And we're about to put it on an R34 with an RB25 DET Neo in it. So that should be Mintos the Primo. Hell yeah.
This blow-off valve was doing a whole lot of blowing off.
Oh, you had a Coke can in there, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can literally...
See the Coke can.
Hey, what does that do, Daniel?
It makes the cool noise.
What's the cool noise?
The one that everyone loves.
And what's that one?
Hiya.
Oh yeah! Hang on, wait, let me look.
Okay.
So this is the one we just took off. It's a Turbo Smart one. It's by no means bad. The reason we're taking it off is to put the new one on, just to see how it sounds, because he bought that for his Stagia. But we're going to be putting on the Skyline, because why not?
God damn, this is tedious. It's also fouling on that vacuum hose.
It's so pretty. And just like that, she done.
You're done.
You're done.
The new one of these is so much nicer as well.
The new.
I got a new one of these.
Is that it?
No, that's the old one.
Oh.
This
I
is
was
like,
going to say, it doesn't look any different.
it's an old one. The other one's black and everything. It would suit this engine bed pretty well, but it's going to go on the Stag because I don't want this to have an even bigger one.
Alrighty. Test drive? Alrighty. Let's hear it. Definitely an acquired taste. Oh, fuck yeah, boys! Like legit, fully rebuild one of those turbos, slap everything on the engine, and get it sit.
Sounds good.
Better than that.
If it still stalls out. I had to give it throttle. I was gonna die. Good old reliable Skyline.
Hey. Not that you can see that, but I'm stoked. It's not for this though. Well, there you have it. That's pretty much going to do us for today's video, guys. I know it wasn't really any context to the video other than putting that blow-off valve on Daniel's 34, which was pretty mint. Why did my car just do that? It just locked itself. Sick. But yeah, no, good fun. Driving 34 with a new blow-off valve, running around in Holly's new Miata, doing bugger all on the Stag because, well, kind of got to finish the 32 before I jump into another project, and I really want to tie the 32 up properly so that I have a car to drive around in case something happens to the bike and I don't have a daily. So Stag stays as it is until I actually have the room and time and money to fix it properly, and then once I do, we'll smash out a proper build on that, which will be pretty cool, I reckon. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, leave a comment down below telling me what you thought, leave a thumbs up because why the hell not, and if you haven't done already, hit subscribe because, well, if you enjoyed the video, it should be pretty obvious why. Catch you in the next one, guys. See ya.